Hey, what's up guys? This is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to save and use Guess the Gibberish Instagram filter. If you would like to Guess the Gibberish filter and use it on your stories, then just follow these steps. Open up Instagram app and go to GU_Christopher Instagram profile. Click on the filters icon at the center of your screen. And as you can see, the first filter is Guess the Gibberish filter. Click on it. You can save this filter just by clicking on the arrow icon at the bottom. As you can see, the filter has been saved to my camera. You will find this filter when you go to your Instagram Stories tab and will be able to use it there. If you would like to try and use this filter right now, then just click on Try It and tap on the button at the bottom and it will start playing. You will be able to share this video to your stories afterwards. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to save and use Guess the Gibberish Instagram filter. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.